Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use digital well-being features. Go into Settings and scroll all the way down almost to Digital Wellbeing. Here you have how much time you use on certain apps. Here the most used app category. Here you can set the goal on screen time. For example, I don't know, 5 hours. Here you have timer for apps, so you can set the timer for photos, something like that. Just wanted to show you. And here you have screen time while driving, while walking, and loud listening time. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.